Hey, good morning, everyone. Hope everyone having a good day. So, all the concepts again, right? As I told you many times, when you learn, you earn. When you trade just with emotions, you get panic, right? So, right, many times I explained you, if price is above the magnetic area, that means buyers are in control, right? If price is below magnetic area, sellers are in control. So, based on this chart, what do you think? Do you think buyers are in control or sellers are in control for SPX or ES? So when market opened today, it opened above the magnetic area. It went all the way to the top, nearly 20-30 points above the band, right? So price will never go in one direction. It it sta- uh, it it went up nearly 50 points up from nearly 66.60 to 67.05. Because price went so much, people will start booking profits. It can be big companies, retail traders, everyone will start booking profits. So again, it came to the bottom of the band and again it started going up. So you have a lot of buyers here, you have support here, you have magnetic area here. So market opened above the magnetic area. That means overall trend is bullish. And then there is, right, in trading you have to just remember two important or three important rules. Whenever market is bullish, so if buyers are in control, that means market is bullish. If price stays below magnetic area, that means the ticker is bearish. If it is a bullish ticker, you wait for price to come to the bottom of the band, right? Don't buy at the top. Don't think that, oh, ES is going up, let me buy. Don't buy, never buy at the top of the band, right? Because this is like your resistance, right? All the big companies want to sell at the top. As retail traders, because we trade with emotions without understanding the concepts, we generally buy at the top. Big companies will sell here and then they buy here at the bottom. So if you want to make profits like the big companies, they win 90% of the time, whereas we win 10% of the time because we do exactly opposite. We buy here and when it drops, we sell here. Whereas they buy here, they sell here. They buy at the bottom, sell at the top. So price opened above the market, went all the way to the top of the band. Then big companies started taking profits. Then it came to the bottom. Again, big companies started buying it. So we generally buy at the bottom or you take the bull puts here so that even if it stays choppy also, we can make profits. Right? We took the SPX bull puts. So when it came all the way to the bottom, if we do it, then we can make profits in that way. So for bullish tickers, wait for a drop and then you take long opportunities for the bullish tickers if it is above the magnetic area. If there are any bearish tickers, let us see. Let us take an example of Oklo or something, which dropped nearly 7-8% today. Whenever it is a bearish ticker, you don't buy puts at the bottom. You don't short at the bottom. You wait for a rally. You wait for price to go up, and then once you see it dropping, then we'll take the sell opportunities or we'll buy the puts. So that is the main two rules we need to remember. If something is bullish, that means if something is above the magnetic area, always wait for price to go up. So now again it went to the top. It started at the top, went to the top, and again dropping. So again, if it comes to the bottom, and then again if it starts going up, we can buy. Or if we see a green candle, we can go long. So as of now, we have our bull puts from yesterday 6600, 6605, which for SPX. And also we got 66.15, 66.20 bull puts. Because when you do the bull puts, even if price stays choppy also, you will keep making money. That's why instead of buying naked calls, we bought the when we got a bottom, we bought the bull puts here, so that even if it stays choppy for some time and then starts moving up, we can make nice profits with the bull puts. So what do you see with SPX, right? Because yes, so do you think SPX can go up or go down? Do you think who is in control here, whether buyers or sellers? And what do you think? What can be the minimum unless there is any major news? What can be the minimum of SPX today? And what can be the maximum? What do you think minimum and maximum? And what can be the least level for SPX? What can be the highest level for SPX? Yet you have support here. You have a lot of buyers here, right? Around 65, 98 is the least it can go today. That means even if it price comes here, again it will go up, right? This is your magnetic area. Generally 6600. Even if it comes to the magnetic area, again it will bounce back. In the same way, you have sellers here. You have resistance here, right? You have a red band and you have the swing cell area. This R4, R5, R6. So around 6650, 6648 is your. So once you determine your lowest point and highest point, then we can go somewhere in between, right? Around 6600, 6650. That means price can close somewhere around 6625 to 6630 today. So if we take a butterfly or iron fly for 6630, then there is a huge possibility if price closes around 6630 today, then we'll make nice profits with the iron fly. So we'll wait for price to go a little bit up around 6630 and then we can take a iron fly. Now what we can do is we can take something called as a butterfly. So iron fly, generally we do short iron fly when we think price will drop. If we think price will go up, we do something called as long butterfly. With the iron fly, we sell a call, we sell a put at the money, and you go 30 points, 25 points up and down, and you buy out of the money call, out of the money put. Whereas for butterfly, you buy a call at the bottom, you buy a call at the top, and you sell call in between. So we'll take a butterfly in few minutes. So I'm doing a butterfly. So I'm buying 66.15 call. I'm buying 66.35 call and selling 66.25 call. So if price pins at around 66.25, you will make huge profits. I'm paying around 1.65 dollars. We'll make nearly 100 to 200% if it closes around 66.25 today. So your QQ bull puts are making nice profits. SPY bull puts are making nice profits. Your SPX bull puts are making nice profits. Yesterday, if you attended live session, I mentioned today we'll have a nice gap up. Right, our bread and breakfast indicator gave that we'll see SPX. So today there was a nice gap up with SPX. So that's why we got 6600 bull puts yesterday, and we can nearly keep 100% of that because today SPX will stay above 6600 by end of today. That means all the money we collected nearly to 10 to $20 yesterday before the close. That means all that money is yours. So today will be the last file day for right. I'm sending free invites to the members so that they understand how to use the indicators, how to trade with a systematic pattern. So from Monday, yeah, you won't be getting the free sessions. Right, yesterday itself we made nearly With SPX, three SPX bull puts made 100%, SPX bear call made 100%, iron fly made nearly 80%. Right? Even though Monday, Tuesday we had one loss with SPX, but yesterday we made nearly five profits. Today also again it should SPY, QQQ, SPX, everything should make nearly 100%. On Monday, Tuesday we made nice gains with SPY and QQQ. Only SPX trade we had to take a loss. That also, if you did rollover today, it went all the way to 66.50. And the iron fly also made nice gains. 66.40, 66.50 bull put also made nice gains. When market opened, it went all the way to 66.50. So for some time it will consolidate now. The consolidation is good for both butterfly or iron fly. By end of the day, if price closes around 66.25, 66.30, then we'll make nice profits with the butterfly. That's nearly $1,800 with NQ long in the personal account. So your QQQ bull puts are making nice profits. Your SPX. So I took NQ long one more time in the personal account, not in the prop one. You can take 80% profit from the SPX bull puts and hold 20% on the 66.15, 66.20. We can leave the 66.0 that bull put, we can leave for expiry. So spy bulbs, Q Q Q, everything going nicely. Already I have shown you trade here yesterday. I will share the recording. And the remaining SPX bull puts are making nice gains. Spy bull puts, QQQ bull puts. So where do you all think SPX will close today? What will be the closing price for SPX at end of the day, 3 p.m. Central? You can put your answers and we'll see who will win the contest. Yeah, we can hold the butterfly because butterfly price pay closes at around 66.25. You will make huge profits. We made nearly 2000 with the NQ long in the personal account. This is the long entry, R1 long entry, target profit 1, target profit 2. Mostly it will go all the way till here and then it can reverse back. Then we can make profits with bear calls again in some time. So whenever it goes, if you have any bull puts, 60 SPX, 6640, 6650 bull put, all those things, be ready to take the profits on them. If you have any still open iron flies with 6650, yesterday we made nice profits with 100% of the trades. Today, nearly 100% of the trades. Costco, we still have a lot of time. As long as it stays above 910, we'll make nice profits by October 17th. We got a 910, 920 debit spread that also will make nice gains by end of the day. So I hope you all got the logic, right? As long as price is above magnetic area, we'll mainly watch for the buy signals. Price is below magnetic area, we'll watch for the sell signals. Generally, you try to buy the bull puts close to the bottom. Whenever it goes to resistance, you see it reversing. Then we look for the bear call splits. So if price touches this and comes somewhere in between, then we'll make 100 to 150% with the butterfly. Even if it stays little bit up also, the risk is minimal with the butterfly. If it pins at exact point, then we'll make more profits. Otherwise, the risk will be small. Yeah, SPY, QQQ, SPX, nearly everything is 100%. All the bull puts we got. So I'll post the remaining alerts in the options channel. Yeah, whenever I close the butterfly, I'll let you know. And yeah, whoever wins the contest, I'll let you know. Yeah, bye everyone. Have a nice weekend, and we'll have a setup session at 6 p.m. You can even want indicators. Right, one day is enough to cover your monthly fee, whether you take in the personal account or you do in prop account. Just only thing is you have to try to understand the concepts. That's why I'm trying to repeat again and again how to use these levels, how to interpret them. Right, if you don't have it, suddenly you see dropping, you'll get scared, you'll panic. But you see that it is above magnetic. You have strong support. You have so we stayed with our bull puts from yesterday, from today. It's all about taking time. We took 66.25 butterfly, not the iron flies. It is still valid. So if more sellers are in control, we do the iron fly. If buyers are in control, we do the butterfly. Butterfly for bullish. Iron fly when it is more bearish or when it reaches to the resistance like that, we mainly look for the butterfly. Iron fly. Yeah, Sandeep, please go ahead. You have any questions?
Yeah, Kishore. So when you said butterfly, is it on stocks or on futures as well? I'm like a bit confused when you say that.
You can do butterfly on anything. You can do on ES, you can do on SPX, you can do on SPY.
Oh, okay, so we can do that future on futures as well. I didn't know that.
Yeah, you can do options just like what you do on SPY, QQQ, SPX. You can do the same thing on ES, NQ, crude oil.
Oh, okay. And how can we do that on a trading view?
Not from trading view. You need to have a
Okay.
personal account with the permissions to trade future options on futures.
Oh,
So you
okay.
need to. You need to call your broker and then they will give you the
Okay, but on
permission.
prop account, we are not allowed to do that, right?
Prop account is only buying and selling futures.
Okay,
You cannot do options.
got it. Okay.
Yeah. Sanuj, do you have any questions?
One is that Costco we need to still hold, correct?
Yeah, Costco, we are still holding. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And the second one is which prop account generally do you recommend?
Again, if you want to make consistent payouts, daily payouts, then Take Profit Trader is the number one company out of all the prop firms.
Which one?
But Take Profit Trader, but that is little expensive compared to others. But they will generally give the payouts without any questions or without any denials like that. You
Oh,
have companies like Apex, Allied Trader Fund. They are cheap, but when it comes to the payout, sometimes they will ask you why you did averaging, you got more profit, like all those things there. In Take Profit Trader, you don't have any such rules. So you can make nice profits. Even if you make 5,000, 10,000 in each account, they will pay you $10,000 on each account. Whereas in all other companies, you have to trade with a consistency rule. You have to wait for 1 week, 10 days to get the payouts. Here, every day you can request a payout.
okay. Prodia Capital, correct?
Take Profit Trader. Urdia is also good, but Take Profit is the best one out of all.
Yeah, in your link, that Take Profit Trader, it's coming to the Prodia Capital.
Oh, okay. There might be a wrong link there, but yeah, you
Can you
can.
check it?
There might be another Take Profit Trader link there. You click on that, and then if you enter right choice, you'll get 40% discount.
In your link, lot of are there. So
Yeah, look for Take Profit Trader.
yeah,
There
Take
should be.
Profit Trader. When I'm clicking there, it is taken to Prodia Capital, the
Or
professional.
you can just in Google, you can enter Take Profit Trader, and then you put right choice as the coupon code.
What is the coupon code?
Right choice, RIGHT CHOIC. Yeah, we can let the butterfly expire because price will go to the resistance, right? It will go all the way to the resistance and somewhere close in between the support and resistance. So if it closes at around 66.25 or 66.30 for SPX, then we'll make nice profits with the butterfly. We'll make nearly 100, 150%.
Okay. What is the code you said? Right choice.
Yeah, I kept it in the comments. You can copy it.
Okay.
Yeah, Atul, do you have any questions?
Yeah.
Yeah, Kishore, today I didn't took any trade. But do you suggest any fly for SPX at this point?
Yeah, once it touches the resistance, then we can take. As of now, it is better to wait for some more time. When it goes to around 66.49, we can take it.
Take fly or call? Yeah, call.
Short iron fly.
Short
It,
iron. Okay.
it will go up and then start dropping and close somewhere in between, around 66.30, 66.35 like that.
Okay.
If,
Got it.
if, it, if it closes, then yeah, both butterfly and short iron fly both will make. So if it is in the uptrend, we'll take the long butterfly. If it is in the downtrend, we'll take the short iron fly.
Okay.
Yeah, hi Kishore sir.
Yeah, Naveen, please go ahead.
So for personal account traders future, out of the three options like Lite, Pro, and Pro Plus, which one do you suggest to take it for a personal account?
Again, if you use a referral link, you will get the Pro Plus for free. Pro Plus is better because you get nearly zero commissions on everything. You don't need to pay commissions when you buy futures or when you buy options, all those things.
Uh, I'm only sticking to like only futures, not options. So is also that also good, right? Pro Plus.
Yeah.
Okay. And And that is for $35 per month, every month. Okay. And we need to select
If you
trading
use the
view as a,
referral link, if you use referral link, first 3 months it will be free, completely free. I share the
okay.
referral link in the premium channels.
Okay.
So with that,
will.
first 3 months you don't need to pay anything.
Okay. Sir, can you please share on the premium link one more time? The link. Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, when we select that one, okay, what the minimum should be 35K, right? The amount.
No, for futures, even if you have 5,000 also, you can do trades. It is not like options or stocks where you need to have 25,000. Even if you have $5,000 also, you can trade some 3-4 micros.
For
If you have
personal account.
right. For
Oh,
prop
okay.
account, you don't need any money at all. For personal account, even if you have 5,000, you can do trades.
Oh, okay. And we need to select the trading view as a platform. Correct.
Yeah, there is nothing like TradingView or any platform there. There, yeah. While setting up, yeah, you select TradingView. There, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Jayashil, do you have any questions?
Oh, yes, sir. I bought that butterfly with 6615, 6625, and 6635. Only question, it is going up and up. And if doesn't close in between these, do we have to close or let it expire?
We can let it expire.
Let it
Even if
expire.
even if it closes at 3.5, also will make gains. 2.5. If it closes at 2.5, then that is the best thing. We'll make nearly 200% gains.
Okay,
If it close,
I paid around $25 for this butterfly. If I'm not closing, and then as you mentioned that 25 to 35, 30, if it is closing, how I will make the gain? Means how I don't understand, sir. This is the first time ever I took this trade, sir.
the SPX is completely cash settled. Sure, there is nothing like stock assignment or anything.
Oh,
Right?
okay.
Like
So if
commission.
if it is closing above, then I will lose $25, and if it is closing between 25 and 30, then I will earn something, right?
Let us say we are 66.25,
Uh-huh.
sold 2 contracts. So let us say, what do you think where it can close?
Oh, good question. Somewhere around, the way it is going up, somewhere around 6630 6635.
Okay, let us say it closes at 6635.
Mm-hmm.
Then you bought 6615, right?
Mm-hmm.
That means you have a nearly 20 points difference.
Yep.
So that means for this one, you will make plus 20.
Yes, sir.
Right? You bought one of 6635. If it closes at 6635, this one is nearly zero value.
Yep.
You sold 2 contracts of 25. So if it
Mm-hmm.
closes at 35, then basically you have to pay 10 and 10.
Yeah, minus 20.
So minus 2. So that means you will be nearly break even if it closes at 35.
Mm-hmm.
Let us say it closes at 30. Right? Then you will pay $10
And
to them. Here you will make $15. Here you will not make anything. So you will make nearly $500 profit if it closes at 30. Is that clear?
yes, sir. Clear, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. In case, let us say it closes at 66.25. Then here you don't need to pay anything to them. You will make $2,000 or right plus 20. Here it is zero. So you'll make nearly $2,000 on each contract if it exactly closes at 25.
Okay. Okay, this is my first ever butterfly as per your advice. So let's see what it brings.
Yeah,
Yeah, I have only one contract. Yeah, one buy and second buy, and then two sell. As per like this.
right. Yeah. Yeah. So if it closes exactly at 25, we'll make nearly $1,000 each contract. If it closes
Mm-hmm.
at 30 also, you will make profits. If it closes at 35, you are at break even. Let us say it closes at 66.40.
Mm-hmm.
Then you sold two. So you have to pay 15 and 15 minus 30 here. But here you will make $25. Right? If it closes at 40, that means here you are plus. And here
Mm-hmm.
you will make plus 5.
Mm-hmm.
So if it closes at 40 also,
It's
break even.
break even.
You will not lose anything.
Mm-hmm.
So like that, if it closes close to our 25 or 30 price, we'll make nice profits.
Okay.
20, 25, 30, 35 like that. If it closes above 40, it will be nearly break even. So it is like low risk and if it closes around that price, because it may go up and if somewhere closes around this, right, in between these two.
Yeah, you are
Friday,
genius. Thank you.
sure.
Yeah, all good. I will wait.
Mm. Yes, Suresh, please go ahead.
Hi, Kishore Garu. So currently I'm using a Thinker Fame, but it seems like they are charging high option like trading fees for options. So
Right.
which platform do you
Mm,
suggest to have like a lesser charges?
That's it. Radier, this company, they charge $30 per month, and you don't need to pay any commissions for futures or options like you buy.
Oh,
That
okay.
will that will reduce your commission fee.
That will reduce my commission fee, right? So I have to pay just $30 as a flat fee for every month.
That's it. Yeah.
Okay. And even mine is like a small account. I couldn't able to do that bull spreads, bear spreads, or any index spreads. So what is the best way to make it? So actually mine is very small account. So every time I'm doing like naked calls,
That's right. Right. Futures, you can do options on futures also. For options on futures, you don't need to have 25K or anything. Right. Same thing whenever we do SPX bull put, you can do a bull put on ES. You can do bull put on NQ. So where even if you have $500 account also, you can take a spread and you can do that even overnight also. 23 hours a day, you can do options on futures. So for example, yesterday we discussed NQ and ES will be bullish today. So yesterday, if you took a bull put, then if price stayed above that, then all that money is 100% yours.
all right. So like even for these accounts, right, I have to maintain that 25K, right, to do more tradings.
For futures and options, you don't need to have that PDT rule. Even if you have 3,000, 2,000, 1,000, also, you can do as many trades as you want. There is nothing like only
But that is
three.
only for naked calls, right? They won't allow me to do
No, no. For
that bulls.
options on futures, there is no such restriction. Only for stocks and equities, that is where you have a PDT rule. For options on futures, you don't have any PDT rule.
But when I'm using a Thinkorswim, I did like 4 or 5 trades more in a week. So they have
With
hold
which
my.
one you with which one you did?
I did with like normal stocks, maybe coin or
That's what
SP.
I'm telling. With normal stocks, ETFs, you need to have 25,000 or more to do any number of trades.
Yeah.
If you want to do trades on futures, like you are only trading on NG or silver or ES like that.
Hmm.
You are only trading these symbols. Then you have a low risk. Not you don't need to maintain 25,000 account. Even if you have 3,000, 4,000, you can do any number of trades.
Oh, only for futures.
Options on futures. So
Okay.
you can do bull puts, you can do bear calls, you can do butterfly, you can do iron fly, all those things. Instead of doing on SPY or SPX, you will do it on ES. Instead of doing on QQQ, you will do on NQ.
I was thinking like ES and NQ, we can do only futures, not the options.
In prop firms, you can only buy or sell. But and if you have a personal account, you can do options also on futures.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Thank you. Thank you for letting me know.
Yeah, sure.
So instead of doing SPX and SPY, I have to translate into NQ or ES, right? Whatever you're saying it.
Right.
Okay. Sure. Thank you.
Yeah, Ramesh, do you have any question?
Nothing, Kishore. I think the one what you are just showing about that butterfly, right? That's not a break even. Break even is whatever you spend money. If you get that money, that is break even. Otherwise, if it is closed at 40, 45, you will be losing whatever we spend. That is
Yeah,
$1.40,
yeah,
$1.40. But that is what we see.
yeah,
That's
yeah,
not break
that
even.
is right. Right.
Yeah, I just want to correct
But
that. Sorry.
sure, no problem. Yeah, that is yeah, because whenever we are paying, that is yeah, that is always there. But on a high level, we don't, because your risk is low here. Even if it goes up, goes down, if it stays in between, that is the best thing. If it stays around 25, then
Yeah,
you will make to your yeah, you will make nearly $1,000 for a $100, $140 risk. You can make $1,000 profit.
yeah. Whatever it is, how much nearby 25, that is what we're going to do. Yeah,
Right. Yeah,
make money.
that's where you can make
Yeah,
nice profits. So yeah,
right.
if you buy a call or buy a put, and if it stays choppy, we have so with a butterfly, even if it goes up, goes down, at the end of the day, if it comes close to that pinned price, then that is where we can make. Yeah, for your risk and reward will be much bigger here. You are risking 140, but you can make 500 to $1,000 if it closes around that price. Yeah. Sanoj, do you have any other question?
In this, what time the monthly fees is there?
For what?
In the take profit, the monthly fees, any discount on the monthly fees? No.
Yeah, that's what. If you put the promo code, you will get 40% discount on the monthly fee.
Okay. Okay.
If you complete the evaluation within 1 month, you don't need to pay again for the next month.
Okay. But after that, every month it is that fees will be associated.
No, once you move into from stage 1 to stage 2, then there is no fee in the stage 2.
Okay.
Only when you are in the stage 1, if you complete within 1 month, then only you are paying one-time fee. But if you cannot complete within 1 month, then you will pay for the second month again.
Okay. And just to start, which one to select? They have multiple 25, 50. So generally what?
Generally, 150K is suggested because so that even if you make one or two mistakes, also your account will hold. If you take 50K, they will have very small stop loss like $1,500. If you make one mistake with ES or NQ, it will blow your account.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
So, Atul, do you have any other questions?
Yeah, Kishore, the fly that you were showing on that document, can I buy that now? Because it's
No. Generally, when you are at the bottom, we do butterfly. When you are at the top, it is better to a short iron fly. Whenever we see a sell signal, then if you take short iron fly, right, at the top, you have to be a seller. At the bottom, you have to be a buyer.
Mhm.
So now if you sell and price closes around, if we do a 30 short fly, whenever we see the sell signal, if it closes at 30, then you will make nearly $1,500 for each contract on the SPX.
because
So
you got it at 1.6 something, right? That the fly that you were showing.
right, 1.4, yeah, around 1.4,
Right now
1.5.
it's at 1.2 something. So I can buy that. 1.
Yeah, you can still buy.
Yeah.
But generally, when you are at the top of the band, better to do short iron fly. When you are at the bottom of the band, better to butterfly. But yeah, you can still buy.
Sugar, one quick question.
Mhm.
So
Please go
for
ahead.
traders, do we do we pay any other fees apart from the $40 regulatory fees and other fees? Do you know? I know we
No,
will not be paying the commissions, right? But Think or Swim or Robinhood charges around $1 per contract, right? So I'm just trying to understand how much more we will save with Tradier.
yeah, there is nothing else. There is no other fee or anything.
Oh, that's really good. Yeah, thank you.
Sure.
So Kishore, I have one question on Costco. So can we like I have that option or contract open. So can we let it to close or is there any other time like we gonna close it out?
Now, whatever we have for October, we can just hold it
Okay, we
because
can just hold until expiry.
right.
Okay, and price is expected to be bullish.
Yeah, even it is flat, and as long as it stays above 910, 920, we can keep all that money.
Okay. Okay, but as of now, is Costco is looking bullish or bearish?
As of now, it is yeah, choppy, but it will go up again.
Okay, got it.
We have buyers now.
Mhm. Got it, Kishore.
Mm. Planning to open 6640 iron fly, and you can collect around 6640. Sell 6640 put, sell 6640 call, and buy 20 put and buy 60 call, and collect around $1,000 per contract. So by end of the day, if it stays around 40, ironfly will make huge profits. If it stays around 30, butterfly will make huge profits. One of them will, even if one of them, if we take a small loss, the other one will make nice profits.
So, Kishore, I'm just trying to understand. So, if I have taken 10 contracts for butterfly, how many which should I be taking for ironfly to negate or try to get the maximum output of that?
For butterfly, your risk is only $100.
Yes,
Right.
yeah.
Here, for a 20-point spread, your risk is right. If you're collecting 1,000, your risk is 1,000. So you
Yes,
can
yeah.
take one or two contracts for ironfly. If you are taking 10 contracts of butterfly, you take two contracts of ironfly.
Okay, sure. Yeah. Thank you.
Mostly, SPX should close somewhere between 30, 35. So it should stay somewhere in between these two zones. Yes, Sri, do you have any questions?
Hello, Kishore, can you hear me?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, so Kishore, so now the score looks like 31 at this point in time, and then strength is also 30, correct? But if you look at the T5, it is at the top. So do you think it will still go up or it will go down?
It
A
will
bit?
stay choppy now.
Okay, because it reached to the certain level. That's the reason, correct?
You're right.
And during the trading hours, what time frame that we should look at, like time interval, it will be 5 minutes or because I see in the evening, I think you take 3 minutes, correct, for the interval.
Yeah, during US time, we do 5 minutes.
Okay.
by default. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Sometimes if the trend is very strong, you may look at 15 minutes, but otherwise, generally,
Okay.
you can look at 5.
Okay. And when you say at the top, that means it's the top of the band, correct? That Bollinger Band that you're talking about, or you are talking about the premium zone?
That is right. Yeah.
Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Yeah, Vasan, do you have any question? I'm taking only this short only in the personal account because we already made nice profits last night. And today morning also again with ESNQ made nice gains. So I'm not taking any more in the prop firms. Then your consistency will become a problem. So now we took the iron fly. So if it stays around this 30-40 zone, then we'll make nice profits by the end of the day. So it's a personal account. I can even hold until Monday. So risk is minimal. Mostly it will drop again all the way to the bottom of the band. Even if it doesn't drop also, we can hold until end of the day or even until Monday. So risk is very less. So if you can take profits on the 15 and 20 bull put, take the remaining nearly 90% on that. You can just hold the 6600, 6605. You can hold. Even if price comes to around 6625, your butterfly will be in nice profits at that point of time. Your iron fly will be in nice profits. Your butterfly will be in nice profits. Even you don't need to wait until last minute. If whenever price is close to 25, you can take profits on butterfly. So we took one more butterfly. So 30, 35, 40, at any place it closes, we'll make nice profits. Yeah, Prem, do you have any questions? Regan, do you have any questions?
Yeah, Kishore, Costco calls can we close or do we need to wait like any luck?
Sorry, for what is it?
Costco calls like yesterday, Costco calls 9:10 something 9:40.
No, we did a debit spread 910, 920.
Yeah.
So we'll wait until 5 it close at 920, then that will make nice profits.
Okay.
And then for October, we can hold until another 1 week. So as long as it stays above 910, we can keep all the money collected.
Yeah, got it.
Kishore garu, can you hear me?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah. Kishore garu, I did silver short actually by seeing indicators. I thought it's on high, so S8. So could you please say like whether I can hold or I can take a losses? It is not it's going up and up.
Is it personal account or prop?
Yeah, it's personal account.
Yeah, mostly Monday we'll see a drop. If you just took one contract, it's okay to hold until Monday. Because yeah, yesterday, today it moved so much. So Monday we'll see a nice drop. So yesterday I dropped and then bounced.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, wherever I said it came to that 44.8 and then it moved up. But yeah,
And
you
to the
can
end of the day, you see in chart like what is the price it may come, maybe around.
no, today it will be choppy at this price. So today we may not see a huge drop with silver. Mm, So today it is still premium zone, but there are no sellers as of now. So it doesn't show any sell orders, but it came to the premium. So yeah, if it's just a one contract or so, you can hold until Monday. Monday will definitely see a big nice drop because now you have.
So end of today, maybe it will come down a little bit, or
May come little bit down, but yeah, chances are very. Yeah, it will stay choppy because there are not many sellers currently. So, but yeah, if you have sufficient margin, then there should not be an issue. You can hold it until Monday, Tuesday, then it will drop. It will come minimum until 45.
okay. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
Kishore garu, I took a NQ shot on it, but it's going up. Do you think it will go up?
Personal account or prop account?
It's a prop account, NQ.
Your prop account, it will not to take you with NQ or ES, right? So as of now, it is
It's evaluation account only.
NQ. So 140 is the major resistance. A small pullback, it may go there and again drop. But yeah, generally for generally during this time, don't trade futures in the prop accounts.
Oh, okay.
Only in the evening to look it is better if you have a personal account because again on Monday we'll see a big drop with NQ and ES. But yeah, it will drop, but your prop account cannot hold right, especially NQ. It moves so volatile. Suddenly it moved 20-30 points up. So your drop account will hit the stop loss.
Right.
Better, yeah. You can put stop loss at 24,717.
Okay, sure.
If it breaks that, then it will go all the way here and then it will drop.
Sure. And these futures won't work over the weekend? Over the weekend, Saturday, Sunday?
No, only until Friday evening. Again, Sunday evening they will stop.
Sunday evening it will start. Okay,
Yeah.
sure. Sure. Thank you.
Mhm. So, 66. The closure should be around 66.30. Yes, Sunil, do you have any question?
Kishore sir, a quick question. So we took two iron flies, right? One is 6630 put and the other is 6640 put. So
You
depending
do
on
30
like
or yeah,
huh?
30. Right,
Yeah,
30 and 40. If it close at
40.
30 or 40 or 35, we'll make nice profits with the iron fly. If it close around 25 and 30, we'll make nice profits with the butterfly. So yeah, mostly we should close around 3-0. That both iron flies, butterfly, everything should make huge profits.
Got it. Yeah, yeah. So butterflies generally, what is so obviously it's only on one side of the leg, right? Either it's a call or a put. So which days do we take calls when we know overall it is positive, but it's going to be within a range of that positivity?
Right. Yeah.
I mean, whether the butterfly, whether it's on the put side or on the call side. Got it. Okay. Like, how do you choose? Like, how should we think of when to take a butterfly versus an iron fly?
If you are at the top of the band, if you are close to resistance, then iron flies are better. If you are close to support,
Oh,
then only butterfly is better. Not better.
oh, okay, okay. So generally, top of the band iron flies because there is a potential for it to go, so you don't want to lose that opportunity.
Right. Because right with a short iron fly, you are basically a seller. You are telling
Hmm.
that it will drop.
Okay.
It will drop, but it will not drop so much because overall you have bullish trend
Yeah.
today.
Outlook.
But
Yeah.
but it already went to nearly close to the resistance. So if it stays choppy, we'll make nice profits. If it drops little bit, we'll make nice profits. By end of the day, if it stays somewhere in between
Oh,
these two support and resistance zones, right? For example, now your resistance is somewhere here, 66.11, 66.43. If it closes somewhere around in between, then we'll make nice profits on
got
all the
it.
long
Yeah.
butterfly, short iron fly. All the three will make huge profits.
Fingers. Okay, that makes sense. Ah, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, Costco 920, 920, 920 for that. We just took a lot on that Costco thing. But 910, 920 should make profit, and then the other one which we took for October should make nice profits. And then another alert which we took for KNOP that dropped nearly 5-6%. That is making nice profits. If in last 1 hour, if Costco moves 10-15 points up, then all the debit spread also will make profits. So if it stays between 920, 940, then the 920, 940 will make nice profits. If it stays between 910, 920, that one will make nice profits.
Uh, Kishore, I'm trying to understand. So we have two iron flies and one butterfly, right? So uh, all of them will not make profits, right? So I'm just trying to understand how I should take these ones because
All
yeah,
of them can make profits if all of them if they close around 66.30, then all
okay,
the three will make nice profits. If SPX close at 30, around 30 today.
okay, except the second butterfly, second iron fly, I guess, right? The first butterfly will make profits. The third one will make profits because it's 6630 centered around that. The second one is centered around 6640, so that will be a break even, right? Yeah,
Yeah. On 40, how much we collected?
$1,000 we collected.
Okay, yeah, that will be close to break even if it close around 30. But now you're covered with all the areas.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah,
overall, you will be profitable at the end of the day with the three
yeah,
trades because you paid
yeah.
150, you collected 1,000 plus 1150. So if it stays in this zone, either butterfly will make 100 to 100% or iron flies will make 100%, 90%. In that way, you have a low because the chances for it to go up so much or go down so much is very less. Now it will stay choppy in this zone for next
I
1 2
see,
hours. So as
I
long
see.
as it stays here in this box, then you will make nice profits.
Okay, okay, yeah, got it. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, Raju, do you have any question?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah, I can hear you. Please go ahead.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, please go ahead.
Mm.
Yeah, I can hear you. It seems there is some issue with your mic. Yeah, Sri, do you have any questions?
Are you able to hear me? I'm not able to hear you. Just
Yeah, we can hear you, Raju.
yeah, sorry.
Clearly.
Yeah, I had a different question. When we take these debit spreads, right? How do you exercise an option there, right? Like usually when we get assigned, somebody's exercising those options. The one that I see on Webull is basically says auto assign on an expiration, but if you think you ever, again, this is just not for now, but in the future, if you ever have to exercise it and we're doing good, how do you get to that?
Hmm. Do you mean you want to exercise that option contract?
Yeah, in this case of debit, we can exercise it, right?
Yeah, you can exercise. Yeah, if it is you
But
are
when I
paying the
click on
money, then
that
you can
option,
always exercise. Yeah, it is up to you. If you want, you can exercise. It is not mandatory.
yeah. But when I click on that, right, and then let's say if I take a debit transaction and then I click on it, it basically says at least on the Webull, it just says exercise option on expiry, right, on. But it doesn't give me an option to exercise
Yeah, I
prior
think
to
only
that,
on
or
the
if I want.
yeah, only on the expiry you can call the agent and you can ask them to assign to you. For example, cost call, let us say it stays at 919.
Mm-hmm.
So you sold a 920 call, so you collected premium. You bought a 910 call using some of that money.
Got
So
it.
instead of if you have to buy 910 call, you have to pay a lot of money. But what you did, you sold 920, took some money. So if it stays exactly at around 919, 920 by end of today, that will your 910 call will make nearly 200, 300% profit. So you can buy the stocks at $9, $10. And in the
Yeah.
market, you can sell them at 920, or if it moves much further, more on Monday, you can sell those stocks at 930, 940.
Got it.
So
So we cannot do it through the to the UI. We will have to call them to, and we can have them as because the reason is when we have this right when we have these long future looking debits or credits when we were selling them earlier, right? We used to get assigned even before the expiry date, correct?
right, if the price moves so much away, then generally those brokers or the assignment will happen. But if the price is staying close to the range which we take, generally we should request for the assignment. If we want, we can call the broker and tell them that okay, I want to buy the
Okay.
stocks.
Okay. But there's not a ability to do it through the through our trading platform, though, right?
Right.
Okay. Thank you. That's all I want to know. So just
Sure. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, Jagan, please go ahead.
Yeah, Kishore garu, I created this trader like a broker account. So when I provide the credentials from the mobile app, I'm able to log in. But I'm providing the same credentials to the when I log in from the browser, it's saying like invalid username password. Yeah,
You call their customer support.
okay. Like
You
while creating app, I'm not sure what I selected, futures, options, or something. But
yeah,
in the
if you call their customer support, they'll be able to help you. If you made some mistake while submitting the application, they will tell you to.
Yeah, I got an email from them like uploading the documents. I did everything, Yeah, sure, I will call them. Yeah, I'm checking if anyone having same kind of issue. So, okay.
No, I'm able to log in with the finish.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Hey, Kishore, a quick question. Hear
Yeah,
me? Yeah, so Trump announced 100% tariff on this pharma company yesterday, correct? But
right.
there is no impact as such on the market. So is there something we are going to see on first or towards the 1st of October, or
The market got used to it, right? Generally, whenever it
yeah?
happens for the first time or second time, there might be some impact. But now market got used to that all the tariff news.
Okay. Yeah.
So yeah, it's not a huge impact anymore. And also because he did lot of relaxations multiple times and he postponed the date, so
Correct.
market
Correct.
is not really taking it as a serious.
Okay. Okay. Because when I saw that news, I thought like it's going to impact today, but
Right,
it
yeah.
did not. It did not.
Yesterday evening also we discussed this. I said like yeah, that will not have any impact and SPX will bounce back today.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks for that. Actually, absolutely.
Yeah, Pradeep, do you have any question?
Yeah, hi. Actually, I see your message every day about the level side for the futures and stock tickers. I'm not sure what to do with that. Do I need to import that in TradingView?
Yeah. You put this levels.
So how do I import them?
You go to settings, click on
Okay.
the settings, and you can copy paste those levels.
So
If you're
settings of the okay.
settings of the future scanner or futures level manager or stocks level manager, you go in, you copy paste those, then you know that whether that would would be bullish or bearish for the day or which ones to take. Like if it goes to all the way to the top, you know that it will not go much more than that way, or if it goes all the way to the bottom or it is above magnetic level, you know that it can
Yeah,
go up.
but when I go to settings of future trend ranker or maybe
No,
price
it's not
pulse.
future trend rank. It is not for future. It is for my uh, multi-time frame MTFF or futures level manager or stocks level manager.
Okay, not even for price pulse.
No.
Actually, I was subscribed for 5 indicator. I was not active for last 6 months, so I'm not sure anything got changed with the indicators. Um, so probably do I
Join
need
the
to log
setup
out from
session.
last?
You
Sorry.
can join the setup session at 6 p.m. and if you want to change any of the indicators, you can change to the new indicators.
Okay, sure.
So price
Thanks.
pulse, T5, they are still very good indicators.
Okay,
But yeah, this MTF futures or futures level manager, they also help you to take the decisions.
okay, sure. Thanks.
Yes. Right? If price stays choppy like this, that is good for us for next half an hour. If it stays around this 2 3 points going up, 2 3 points going down, that is the best thing for all the iron flies and butterfly. And then it should come somewhere to the bottom by closure. Yes, Santosh, do you have any question?
Hey, Kishore. Hi. Kishore, can we average the second iron flight? I'm sorry, I didn't hear. One second. Can you hear? Hello?
No, don't add anything as of now.
Okay, it's Kishore.
Nearly last 1.5 hour, it is very choppy. So nearly $300 on each contract. They'll post the remaining alerts on the channel, the options channel, and whenever I close the alerts, I'll update in the US equities and other groups. Yep. So we made the right out of 40 or 50 alerts, except two or three. We made profits with nearly everything on in this week. Just by QQQ, nearly we made 100% with every trade yesterday. Today also, everything should make nice gains. Yeah. Bye everyone. Talk to you later. Yeah, Anand, do you have any question?
Yeah, quick question. So the ES is still like a downward trend end of the day?
Yes.
Okay. I took a short position. I think when you took one ES short position, right? Is it
Yeah,
still?
personal account, you can hold, yeah.
Yeah, personal account, yes.
Yeah, you can hold it. It should go to, should drop another 10-15 points.
Okay.
So, should we? I know there's a block at 6635. When the price hits that, should we close the iron flies there in the butterfly chair
Yeah, you can trim few positions. If you took multiple contracts, if you took only one, yeah, you can take the profits.
at 6635, right? Or
Right.
6636?
Yeah, around this area, around this support. If it breaks the support, it can go further down. But yeah, if you want to avoid any risk, if you took multiple contracts, trim 80%, hold down 20%.
Yeah, I only have one each. One for the
Yeah.
butterfly long and one for the iron fly, which is 6630 one.
Okay, then you can take profits.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, well, we'll talk to you. Yeah, there won't be any more free sessions for the members.
Hello.
Yeah, Jagan.
Hello.
Yeah, Jagan, please go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Kishore garu, can we add some more number of quantities for this iron please? Second one or first one?
Yeah, again, it is based on your account size. I don't know what is your account size.
Yeah.
So, as of now, both will make profits. So better you don't take too many trades with yeah, maintain the position. Don't use more than 3 to 4% of your account size on any one trade.
Yeah, I am under that limit only.
If you are under that limit, you can take 66.40.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, Sharad, do you have any questions?
Yeah, Kishore, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can. Please go ahead.
Do you have like recording from the sessions that you do in the evening? It's very hard for me to join those meetings in the evening. The trade setup sessions.
Yeah, I have all the recordings, but I have to upload them in YouTube. I'll upload them today evening.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
You said there is no more session.
Sorry?
Will there be any more sessions, live sessions like that?
Yeah, again, Sunday evening we'll have live because today there won't be market.
No, I mean the setup session.
Setup, yeah, at 6 p.m. we'll have a setup session today.
Okay. And where is that posted? In the Algo channel? Which channel is that?
Yeah, on that AlgoBot channel, you'll receive the invite. Yeah. Okay, well, so there will be more lottos in the last 30 minutes. If I see any good setups, I'll post in the options channel. Bye, well.